another video. If you're new to this channel, hi girl, I hope that you do stick around. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning into yet another video. As you can see guys, I'm already like, it's a Sunday and I decided to go on a solo day just to get coffee and a cupcake, basically just to ease my mind and layer break layer, so yeah, I'm rocking this. I can't show you the full outfit now, but if I get this jacket, this leather jacket, and I'm also wearing this top and jeans and loafers. I'm gonna show you just now. And these are the rings, earrings. As you can see, I was thinking of wearing a cap, but now ingathi ayihlangan kahle outfits. But okay, I'm gonna carry this bag. This bag, it's okay, it has a belt, but today I'm just gonna carry it as a clutch like this. So we're going now to eat breakfast, and I hope that you guys do enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Well, I had another vlog everything but I was like, you know what, no, I don't like it and I need to up my game. Each and every time I release a vlog, like, it has to eat, so yeah. I need to buy a new tripod. Let us just go, and then yeah, we will talk when I come back, or I'll show you the full outfits, like, yeah, during the when we get there, basically, so that I can get like cute nice pictures. And also I received some PR this week, so I'll be showing you guys that. I need to vent a bit because I'm questioning my decision sometimes. Like, there's a lot of things that happened and I did show you in the other vlog, but the lighting of the whole video was just off, and I'm not gonna release that video, so I'm starting a new one here, and I'm just gonna show you everything that I did in that last vlog. So I did receive some PR, and I also want to show you a few things that I got, basically. Yeah, so let us go. this lady to come back so I can pay the bill. Yeah, what a lovely summer day. Just passed by release to get milk, and then I'm going home. Honestly, it was a great time. Um, as it you guys was just go out one day and have like coffee, cake, or whatever your preference may be. But I just had a great time. Like, honestly. So I'll speak when I get home because yeah, my makeup is still on and I love it. As if my knees were not, but yeah. I am back home, guys, so I want to show you the things that I got this week. Firstly, we have the pair package from L'Oreal. They sent me their hair care products. So we got shampoo and a conditioner. They all pink. We got a leave-in serum, and then we got a pillowcase, satin pillowcase. We also got a scrunchie, and it comes with this beautiful card. Well, inside here it just it just tells you about the product, and then just above here we have the mirror. Also ordered this hat from a girl named Ceci from TikTok. Well, to be honest, I like risking with my money, because if she scams me then it's fine, but if she doesn't then we good, because I'm gonna do a review, you know. So I've always wanted this slouchy beanies. Slouchy beanies. It is so beautiful. It is in a color brown. I just love the detailing of this hat. Like, it's not doing too much, yet this tag here, this one, it is written hooked by Ceci. Like, I think it's very much beautiful. So this winter I know that I am salted, and I got this hat for 150. And yeah, so you just have to order via him. You just DM her on TikTok, because she doesn't have an Instagram, and then from there you'll take it from there. She'll send you her numbers, and then you can chat and order yours. Like, it's so beautiful, guys. I'm ready. So yeah, that was my beautiful day, guys, today. Like, I really had a good time because I was alone. I had like my coffee, and that carrot cake was too good. Like, it was too good. So I'll see you guys on my next video, I guess. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, because you guys don't comment. Okay, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, your family, and whoever. Like, share it with everyone, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.